this controversy is also concerned, we talk more about when it comes to the AIMIM and the controversial figures that it has been given tickets to contest the upcoming elections. Now, the Election Commission, which has announced the Delhi election date that will happen on the 5th of Feb, and the counting and the results would be announced on the 8th of February. However, when it comes to this announcement of the Delhi poll schedule, the AIMIM has now declared its second candidate for the Okhla constituency. This time round, it has fielded Shafoor Rahman, who is said to be the chairman of the Jamia Alumni Association, as its candidate from Okhla. Now, earlier, already when it comes to the former councillor and former Aam Aadmi Party leader Tahir Hussain, who was given a ticket by the MIM from the Mustafabad Assembly constituency, this seems to be the reasoning that has now been given on part of the MIM on fielding another controversial figure for the upcoming elections.
हमारे दोनों प्रत्याशी का ऐलान हमारे बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन साहब ने कर दिया है और दोनों मजबूती से चुनाव लड़ेंगे और इंशाल्लाह जीत के आएंगे। और जो उन पर इल्जाम है, कोई वो दोषी जो है सिद्ध नहीं हुए कोर्ट की तरफ से, अभी उनके ऊपर इल्जाम है। अगर वो चुनाव लड़ने का अधिकार हमारा देश का संविधान, देश का कानून देता है और हमारी पार्टी हर एक उस व्यक्ति को जो है लेकर आना चाहती है पार्टी में जिनके साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है। और जब अपने केजरीवाल साहब को जो है बेल मिल सकती है और अदर्स पार्टी के लोगों को बेल मिल सकती है, तो इनको बेल क्यों नहीं दी गई? 5 साल से ये जेलों में क्यों हैं?
Now, this has started another political debate there, because Riot accused that they are being given ticket to contest the elections. How would he in the first place contest elections, Sabyasachi, as far as his candidacy that has now been announced by the AIMIM?
Well, that's right. Siyasaddin Owaisi's political party, AIMIM, has announced that they are going to give a ticket to Shafoor Rahman from the Okhla constituency. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party has declared that Amanatullah Khan would be fighting from that constituency. Meanwhile, the BJP and the Congress is yet to announce their candidates from the Okhla constituency. See, the BJP has been terming this particular move by the AIMIM as appeasement move that they are trying to find out more controversial figure. Meanwhile, the Congress has levelled allegation against Mr. Asauddin Owaisi, stating that it is not surprised by Asauddin Owaisi's political party giving tickets to controversial figure, but they in fact would be surprised if they had not given a ticket to a controversial figure. So clearly the war of words is going to begin with this particular announcement, whereas the AIMIM, it seems that they are going to stand and support their candidate. In fact, they say that he has been accused and has not been convicted, and under these circumstances they have decided to give him a ticket.
Well, several seats that have been a long battleground for political rivalries, with the AIMIM's entry also in the Delhi election, which intends to challenge established parties like the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the Congress, particularly in constituencies with a large minority population. Let's in the meantime also listen in to how Times Now also confronted Shoaib Jamai, who is the Delhi president of the AIMIM, regarding the party's choice of its candidates, where he's defended the selection of the candidate Shafoor Rahman, saying that he is their hero.
Right now we are joined by Dr. Shoaib Jamai. He's the Delhi State President of MIM. What is the reason that why you have to give ticket to right accused for the Okhla?
Why not? MIM will give ticket to those who were the hero of our CA and RC protest. If Congress can give ticket to the Lal Singh of the Kathua, then why not MIM can give the ticket to Tahir Hussain and Shafoor Rahman? Shafoor Rahman is our hero. The hero of the people of not only in Delhi but all over India.
But how come somebody who is accused of Delhi riots can be your hero?
Accused doesn't mean that he is convicted. Let the court decide. Let the people decide. In a democracy, in a vibrant democracy, what we see, the people will decide who is going to raise their voice in the assemblies of the Delhi.
Who's not convicted, that is the defense coming in from the AIMIM as it announced its candidates. The BJP has quickly responded, stating that there seems to be a competition between the Congress and the MIM in the elections to see who can be the elder brother of the rioters, further claiming that both parties only want to become the bhaijan of rioters as they aim to run a vote bank business.
चुनाव में कांग्रेस और एमआईएम के बीच में एक प्रतिस्पर्धा, एक कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ा भाईजान बन सकता है दंगाइयों का। तो इसीलिए कांग्रेस बोलती है मैं इशरत जहां को टिकट दूंगी, वही इशरत जहां जो मास्टरमाइंड है दिल्ली दंगों की। तो एमआईएम बोलती है कि नहीं, मैं कैसे पीछे रह जाऊं, ताहिर हुसैन, अंकित शर्मा के हत्यारे को, दिल्ली दंगों के मास्टरमाइंड को जो जेल में है उसको टिकट देती है। ये मोहब्बत की दुकान नहीं, ये नफरत के भाईजान है, नफरत का व्यापार करते हैं, दंगाइयों के संरक्षण में खड़े हो जाते हैं। और आज एक कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ी कैप पहन सकता है। कैप मतलब कंपेटिटिव अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स, कौन ज्यादा कर सकता है।
Now, Sabyasachi, as far as the